How to trade Forex without huge investments. Welcome to the second lesson of the Forex Basic course. In this lesson, you will learn what currency pairs and quotes are, what pips and points are, what a lot is and how to calculate the profit on your order, how to operate huge amounts without investing them. Currency pairs. In the Forex market, currencies are quoted in pairs. The first currency in a pair is the base currency, and the second one is the quote currency. The price of a pair indicates how much of the quote currency is needed to buy or sell 1 unit of the base currency. If the price of Euro-US dollar is 1.1865, then to buy 1 euro you need to spend 1.18165 US dollars. Pip and point. Prices on the Forex market are constantly changing, but usually they tend to only change by a very small percentage. These tiny changes are represented by the last 2 digits in a quote, called pip and point. And when the price changes from 1.18165 to 1.18175, it means that it has increased by 1 pip or 10 points. Quotes generally have 5-digit pricing, except those pairs with Japanese yen. These have 3-digit pricing, for example, US dollar, Japanese yen. In this case, the last digit also stands for a point and the second is a pip. A change from 109.455 to 109.462 means that the price has increased by 0.7 pips or 7 points. How to trade Forex without huge investments. The main market players are constantly exchanging hundreds of millions of currencies. To make calculations faster and easier, they measure these amounts in lots. One standard lot is equal to 100,000 units of a base currency. For a long time, the lot size was a minimum trade volume that made Forex an exclusive playground for central banks and financial institutions. Most individual traders couldn't trade such huge amounts of currency. Brokers opened the doors of the Forex market to all comers. Octa FX Broker makes Forex accessible by offering 2 significant options. The first is reduced trading volumes, mini lot and micro lot. Octa FX splits a lot like a pie, so if a lot equals 100,000 units of a base currency, a mini lot equals 10,000 units of a base currency, and a micro lot is 1,000 units. This way, you can trade smaller amounts. For example, if Euro-US dollar quotes 1.18165, a lot costs 118,165 US dollars. A mini lot costs 11,816.5 US dollars, and a micro lot costs 1,181.65 US dollars. The second option is leverage. Leverage is a special loan which is given to a trader at the moment of opening an order. With the help of leverage of 1 to 500, you can trade 1 lot of Euro-US dollar by only investing 236.38 US dollars of your own money. To trade a mini lot, you only need 23.64 US dollars and 2.36 US dollars for a micro lot. In other words, the leverage of 1 to 500 allows you to open orders which are 500 times bigger than your own investment. That is how Octa FX allows you to build an effective strategy without taking excessive risks. How to calculate your own potential profit. To calculate an outcome of your order, you need to know a cost of 1 pip. This will also help you to forecast possible risks. A pip's value is expressed in the currency of your trading account, US dollar or euro. If you open a US dollar trading account, it will be easy for you to measure pip prices for pairs which have US dollar as a quote currency. For example, if we take the Euro-US dollar pair, 1 pip for a standard lot equals 100,000 units of base currency, multiplied by 0.0001 US dollar equals 10 US dollars. Hence, pip's price for a mini lot is 1 US dollar and for a micro lot, it's 0.1 US dollar. So if you buy one lot of Euro US dollar and the price increases by 10 pips, you will earn 100 US dollars. If you trade a currency pair where US dollar is not the quote currency, the pip price will be counted in the quote currency and then converted to US dollar according to the Forex exchange rate. It's easy to use the profit calculator on the OctaFX website to determine the potential outcome of your order. Choose a currency pair and fill in the details of your order. If you buy one lot of US dollar Japanese yen and the price increased by 10 pips, your profit would be 88.73 US dollars. How to register with a broker. To start practicing Forex trading, you need an account with a broker. We recommend OctaFX. You won't need to fill out difficult forms or spend any money to access demo accounts without any limitation. Fill out the sign-up form. Be sure to provide your real name and existing email address. This helps the broker keep your account safe. When done, click Open Account. Open the email account you provided when signing up. View a message from OctaFX with the subject Confirm your email address to start trading. Click Confirm email address in it. You'll be prompted to complete the last step of registration. Fill in every field with the correct information: your country, city, street address, your phone number, and your date of birth. The broker needs these to verify your identity and keep your money safe. Also, don't forget to share your experience in Forex. At this point, you can create a trading account. Select MetaTrader 4 and set the account type as Demo. Then click Continue. You can find the account number of your demo trading account for MetaTrader 4 in your personal area. To access your trading account in MetaTrader 4, you need a unique password. OctaFX will send it to your email address as soon as it's created. Check your email. The message containing both account number and password will be under the subject Welcome to OctaFX. Let's summarize what we've learned from this lesson. Currencies are quoted in pairs. You can buy or sell the base currency for the quote currency. Each pair has 5-digit pricing except pairs with Japanese yen, which have 3-digit pricing. The last digit is called a point, and the second to last a pip. The standard volume for trading on Forex is called a lot and equals 100,000 units of a base currency. OctaFX allows you to divide a lot into mini lots and micro lots. OctaFX provides you with leverage to trade Forex without huge amounts of personal investment. It allows you to open orders 500 times bigger than your initial investment. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to use leverage to earn more than 100% of the value of your own investments.